Hey, it's Logan from Sleepopolis, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Leesa. Leesa is coming out with an update to the construction, so we want to get a good review of the new feel and firmness of the mattress. So before we do that, because it is a bend-in-the-box mattress, we have to get it out of the box and onto the frame, so let's get started. All right, now that's it for setup. As with any bend-in-the-box mattress, it's important to let it decompress for a little while before you actually sleep on it, so just stay tuned for our upcoming review.